Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In our last lecture, we created this structure. This is sketch in our project. Today we will see how to edit this sketch, how to exit from this sketch, and how to rename it. We will also see what is the extrude command. So, this is the geometry we created in our last lecture. Here are the options to exit in the right corner. Or you can directly exit section from the left corner of the top menu. So anything you can choose just. You can choose either of the two and exit the sketch. Now, see that your sketch is here. If you click on it, it will show the dimensions. Otherwise it will not show the dimensions. Suppose you want to change the name of this sketch. So, just right-click. And select Feature Properties. Here you can give the name. Let's name it. OK. Now directly double-click. If you want to edit this part again, just right-click and select the first option here, that's Edit Sketch. And you will enter into the sketch mode. Now if you want to change the anything, just select any dimension you would like to change. Double-click on the dimension and change the dimension to 20 mm. OK. See, the radius is now 20 mm. Now exit from the sketch. So this is how to can change the dimension. You can change the part name. Now we want to see how to extrude this into a part body. Go to Features. These are the 3D modeling tools. There are many tools here. Like, Extrude, Boundary, Lofted, Revolved, Hole Wizard. There are many options, but today we will see only Extruded Boss. Select Part 1 and select Extruded Boss. See, a window will pop up. And we created this structure in the top plane. So it show up in top plane. Here you can see from which plane. Then direction 2, thin feature. And selected contours. We will see it in a simple way. If you want to extrude, you can directly extrude by hand. Just drag and drop. Here you can select 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm in one direction. If you want to go in another direction, choose direction 2 and see it is going in both directions. Suppose you want a thickness of 30 mm in the second direction. Just put it and it will go directly downwards. Or if you want only one direction, close it. There is another option called midplane. Now see, if you will extrude it, it will add the same thickness in both directions, keeping the plane in the middle of the part. Even if we enter a dimension here, it will change in both directions. OK. We will only use one-way blind. And 10 mm and click OK. See, this is our way. You can click your middle button or the roller and rotate it by moving the mouse. Please use the description below to enroll into the course. In the next lecture we will discuss about different orientations. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.